Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to transcribe an MP3 or any kind of audio in Word without paying for any services. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to search for this driver here called BB Audio. It's a virtual cable. You could either Google it and go to their website here, or I'll post a link in the descriptions below and you can click on that. And then you want to go here, either on this banner or go to audio apps up here. And it's going to be the very first link, download, the one called BV Cable Driver. And it is a donationware, so do consider donating. So first we're going to download it. So you could either just save it directly, or you can save as. That way you know where it's going. And once it's done, you're going to open the folder, not the file. Then you're going to right click on that and extract the files. And then if you just leave it like that, it should extract into this same folder. And as you can see, it created a folder that's not zipped, and it'll extract all the files. So you want to run the setup file. So you're going to install that. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to bother running it. But once you're done with that, you're going to have a new audio device for your speakers and for your microphones. You can open up your settings by right-clicking on the speaker right here and going to Open Sound Settings. Or you can also pull that up by going to your Start button, the settings, and go to Sound, and it should take you here. Or another way you can also do it, click the Start button, type Sound, and then you'll see the option Settings, Sound Settings, and it will take you back here. So as you can see, now I have this new audio device called BV Audio Virtual Cable. Yours might be named differently here because I renamed it, but in the parentheses, it should be the same. And if you want to rename it, you can just go here and just name it whatever you want. So you're going to want to set up both your audio devices as the virtual cable device, so for your speaker and for your microphone. And what that's going to do is that it's going to basically route whatever is going to be outputting into a speaker and routing it into an input as a microphone. So that way, off his word, thinks of it as if you're dictating to it through a microphone. So we're going to open up Word and have it ready. And then you want to open up the MP3 file that you want to transcribe. And what you want to do is you want to be ready to play right after you click on the dictate button. So you could either play the audio with a keyboard shortcut, or what I did here is that I went to the end of the audio and I'm repeating it when it ends so that I have time to go up here. So I'm just going to play the audio and then I click on here. Office Word, please type for me. I'm too lazy today. I don't feel like typing. Hello, Office Word, please type for me. I'm too lazy today. I don't feel like typing. Hello, Office Word, please type for me. So as you can see here, my audio did get transcribed without using any paid software or any paid services or hiring anybody. It's that simple. So I made a diagram here to show you a little bit clearer why this works. So when you play an MP3, the audio is supposed to be coming out of a speaker, right? But what this virtual cable does is that it routes an output into an input. So it makes your computer think that you're actually inputting audio into a microphone. So it's thinking that the MP3 is a microphone. So then Microsoft Word thinks that you're dictating to it through a microphone. So it doesn't know that it's not a microphone. Anyways, if you liked the video and it helped you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.